You're on X Gadgets Tools, where we find the most useful tools and the coolest gadgets from Aliexpress and Amazon. If you're into smart finds, hit subscribe so you don't miss the next videos. All the product links are in the description below. Let's go! Ever stripped a bolt because your gut feel was just a little off? The Boluojun Digital Torque Wrench Adapter takes out the guesswork. With ultra-precise readings and a bright backlit screen, it helps you hit the right torque every time, no second guessing. Compact, durable, and ready for sockets of all sizes, it's the go-to tool when tight enough just isn't good enough. Want to personalize your ride with dynamic visuals? The Baseus LED car sign lets you display custom text, animations, and graffiti using a Bluetooth-controlled app. Its flexible, lightweight LED panel attaches easily to your rear window with 3M adhesive, while the USB-powered design ensures hassle-free installation. Perfect for rideshare drivers, businesses, or creative car owners who want to stand out day or night. Can other drivers really see your next move in traffic? This triple-row LED tailgate light bar from Nanpoku makes sure they do. With vivid red for brakes, amber for turns, and bright white for reverse, it sticks on without drilling, handles rain like a champ, and instantly levels up your truck's visibility and style. Safety, simplicity, and a sharp look, all in one strip of light. Ever found yourself just one stubborn bolt away from giving up? This offset extension wrench makes those tight, awkward spots feel wide open. With drive adapters for 1/4 inch, 3/8 of an inch, and 1/2 inch, it fits your favorite tools and slips right into hard-to-reach angles. Strong enough for impact use and slim enough for engine bays or undercar jobs. It turns a frustrating fix into a smooth spin. Why should road trips mean boredom in the back seat? This 13.5-inch car headrest monitor transforms long drives into full-on entertainment zones. Stream shows, mirror your phone or plug in a console. Everything plays sharp on a crisp Full HD screen. No lag, no complaints, just silent bliss in the back while you focus on the road. Works in most vehicles and even at home if the kids don't give it up. How do you make car drying and cleaning effortless? The Turbo Jet Fan delivers 1,130 G of instant thrust with a 2.5-inch brushless motor, handling water, snow, and debris with ease. Featuring 4 settings, LED lighting, and a long-lasting 4,000 mAh battery, it's lightweight, cordless, and powerful. With a sleek design and intuitive controls, it's the ultimate tool for car enthusiasts and detailers who demand efficiency and performance. How do you ensure a used car hasn't been repainted after an accident? The Ardin Scos TC100 paint thickness gauge accurately measures coating depth on both steel and aluminium panels, helping you spot hidden repairs. With easy calibration, a clear digital display, and automatic material detection, it's a must-have for car buyers, detailers, and auto professionals who want confidence in every inspection. How often have your keys or phone vanished between the seats? This LED lit seat gap organizer not only saves your stuff but upgrades your cabin too. With glowing color, USB charging, and a dedicated cup holder, it slots right in, holds tight, and lights up your essentials without distracting your drive. Neat, useful, and a bit of mood lighting for the road. Finally, your console catches up with your style. Ever wish your parking spot could transform into a garage? This foldable lockable car shelter wraps your vehicle in a weatherproof cocoon, shielding it from rain, sun, snow and scratches. Built with rugged steel and heavy-duty Oxford fabric, it's easy to open, anchors securely to the ground and keeps your ride clean, dry and protected. No construction permits required, just park, pull and protect. Can your headlights still cut through the night like they used to? This restoration kit brings them back to life, removing haze, yellowing and scratches with a pro-grade vapor finish that renews clarity and shine. No replacements, just a few tools, some patience and a 200 ml solution that can handle up to 20 lenses. It's not just a fix, it's a full-on headlight comeback. Ever paid a body shop hundreds just to fix a door ding? This paint-safe dent repair kit lets you tackle it yourself, no experience needed. With multiple pullers, glue tools and suction cups, it handles everything from hail damage to fridge dings. It's adjustable, easy to use and comes packed with extras so you can work fast and clean. Real tools, real savings, and yes, you can actually do this. Streaky windshield wipers ruining your view? This compact wiper blade repair tool revives tired wiper strips in seconds, no replacements needed. With double sanding grooves and a one-touch grip, it smooths out worn edges so your wipers glide like new. It's simple, portable and way cheaper than new blades. A handy fix for rainy days, road trips or just keeping things clear without breaking the bank. Ever fought with a stubborn hose and nearly broke something or yourself? This angled hose removal tool is built to make that struggle disappear. Designed for tight spots and tough lines, it slides between fittings and hoses without crushing or tearing. Great grip, strong steel, and a comfort-coated handle means less time cursing and more time fixing. It's simple, smart, and way better than needle-nose pliers. Is your backseat a chaos zone of toys, snacks and screens? This Backseat Car Organizer keeps it all neat. With 9 pockets, a touch-ready tablet window and space for bottles, books and more, it's durable, waterproof and installs in seconds, turning clutter into calm. Long drive? Short errand? Either way, your car stays clean and your passengers stay entertained. Ever wished your car charger could look as smart as your phone? This wireless charging pad powers up your iPhone, Samsung or earbuds with sleek precision and adds RGB lighting for a dash of tech flair. Soft touch silicone keeps it in place, while short circuit and overheat protection keep things safe. Just drop your device and drive. No fumbling, no wires, no problem. That's it for today. If you enjoyed these gadgets, hit like and subscribe to X Gadgets Tools. All the product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.